Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm gonna share with you exactly how to start with affiliate marketing. And this is gonna be the things that's gonna help you start making money as fast as possible and have a long-term career with affiliate marketing. All right. So first and foremost, what is affiliate marketing exactly? All right. Maybe you know this, maybe you don't, but I'm about to hook you up. Affiliate marketing is very simple. It's basically where you find products to promote, whether it be online mainly, or you could even promote these offline. And every time you actually sell a product, you actually get a commission. All right. So for example, if there is a course online, it costs $100, you become an affiliate of it, you might get a 50% commission from that. So every course that you sell, you get $50. Simple as that. Maybe you promote golf clubs, right? And every time somebody buys these golf clubs, you might get a 20% commission off of that. All right. So affiliate marketing is very, very simple concept. And a lot of people are making full-time incomes, even beyond full-time incomes from affiliate marketing. So you are thinking about doing the right thing. All right. So the first thing you need to do when starting affiliate marketing is figure out what niche do you want to be in. Now that means, do you want to be in the weight loss industry? You want to promote weight loss products? Do you want to promote relationship products? Do you want to promote, pet training products or whatever you're in? You need to figure that out first and foremost. I highly recommend that you want to pick a niche that is profitable, but you want to pick a niche that you actually have an interest in. All right. Now, I know a lot of times people might look at a niche that's like super profitable, but they have absolutely no interest in it. They hate it. They hate the niche that they're in, but they just want to try to get the money. And a lot of times that don't work out because it's hard for them to promote these products. They have no interest in them. They're not motivated to promote these products. So a lot of times they don't make any money, right? So pick a niche and you want to make sure it's halfway profitable. And to me, more importantly, that you have an interest in that niche. All right. The second thing you need to do when starting affiliate marketing is you want to find products to promote, right? So the cool thing about this is nowadays it's so easy to find products to promote that will allow you to start generating commissions. Now, some affiliate programs pay better than others, right? So that's something that you got to kind of figure out, what you want to do. For example, if you're doing like digital products, right? Online products and courses and softwares, you can earn really high commissions, sometimes up to 75% commissions for these type of products. Now, you want to go over to things like Amazon.com and even maybe like eBay.com. These are commissions that may be even easier to make, but the commissions are a lot lower. Like with Amazon, sometimes the product you get like 2% commission. 2%. That shit's trash, right? But depending on what you're promoting, and if you get a lot of sales, then yeah, the money can add up. But you look at other things like if you go to ClickBank or Digistore24, which mainly sell digital type products like downloadable things or membership sites where you can get $50 commissions, $100 commissions. So that's something that you need to figure out. And you could do a little bit of both. You can have products, on Amazon that you promote, and you could promote, digital products. It's all up to you. One more thing about that, in your industry, to help you find affiliate programs. So say you're in the weight loss industry, you literally can go to Google, type in, weight loss program affiliate or weight loss affiliate programs, right? If you're into sports betting, you could go sports betting affiliate programs, right? Just go to Google and you'll find a ton of different places that you can sign up with to become an affiliate. All right. So that's how you find affiliate programs. So the next thing you need to figure out when starting affiliate marketing is, where do you want to promote? How are you going to promote these products? Which is super important, because a lot of times people get involved with affiliate marketing. They get the product, you know, they got their niche, they're excited, and then they're like, they got their affiliate link, and they're like, now what, right? Like, well, now what do I do? So obviously, I'm sure you're aware that this day and age, there's tons of ways to promote products, right? Especially online. I mean, all of the platforms, there's TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. Did I say Facebook? There's YouTube, right? So I will start with one, maybe two strategies. And basically what I'm saying is, platforms to choose. So you need to decide where you're comfortable at. You need to decide, what do you want, what platform do you want to use? Which platform do you think will be the most effective? Like which one you think will get you the most traffic for your offer? And you need to figure out the platform that you feel like you would use the most, right? So that's really on you. A lot of time people get courses, and then the courses, like it says, use YouTube. You got to use YouTube. And then the person doesn't do it because they're like, damn, I really don't like YouTube, right? Or the course is all about Facebook. And the person's like, I don't really like Facebook, right? So honestly, that's on you. You know what you like. Do you like to shoot videos? Do you like to be on camera? Or do you like to do little video presentations? Or do you just like to get on Facebook? Do you like to make posts? Do you like to, join groups and interact with people? Do you like to type a lot, right? And leave comments and interact with people? That's something that, only you know. Because trust me, if you do stuff what everybody tell you to do and you're not into it, you're not gonna do it. I'm telling you, right? You're gonna lose interest really, really fast. And then you're gonna be like, man, affiliate marketing sucks. You can't make money with that. So honestly, pick the platforms that you feel comfortable with and just, work it. So the last tip for getting started with affiliate marketing is probably the most important one, maybe, is you gotta be consistent. You have to be consistent in promoting these products, because a lot of times people start with affiliate marketing. They see all the ads and, make 6 figures a year and all that. They jump into it and they half-ass it, right? Like they don't do what they need to do, right? They don't use, like if they decided to use YouTube, they'll post a video one week about the product or whatever, and they won't post another one for 2 weeks. And then they're like, damn, I ain't getting no traffic. Damn, I ain't getting no eyeballs on my offer. Damn, right? So you gotta be consistent. You have to take it serious definitely with affiliate marketing. You gotta take this serious and make a set schedule. Now, I'm not telling you that you need to wake up and do a 8-hour shift for affiliate marketing. Nah. Even if you can just do a good hour a day, right? 4 days a week promoting your business. Now, if you can do something every day, even if you could make a couple posts every day, if you could put out a YouTube video, every other day, a short video, just promoting your products, talking about your products, building up, some traction, getting some eyeballs on whatever you're talking about, whatever you're promoting. That's all you need. But the key is to be consistent. If you're going to do, 2 YouTube videos a week, make sure you do 2 YouTube videos a week. If you're going to post on Facebook every day, make 1 post, you have to be consistent with it, right? That is key when it comes to affiliate marketing. Now, if you want more in-depth training on affiliate marketing and you actually want to start earning $50, $150, and even $300 commissions, you need to watch this video right here.